Which of these Newman projections is the most stable? First, we can see that C has an eclipse conformation compared to the rest, which have staggered conformations. Staggered conformations are more stable than their eclipse counterparts because they minimize torsional strain, which is the instability caused by electron clouds repelling each other. In an eclipse conformation, each of these hydrogen and alkyl groups, so these, are so close to each other that they repel each other and cause instability. Now looking at the staggered conformations, we can determine their relative stability by looking at gauche interactions. Gauche interactions occur when two large groups in a staggered conformation are next to each other, so in our case the alkyl groups, and they are close enough to each other that they generate torsional strain. This slight crowding destabilizes the conformation. The general rule is to avoid having any gauche interactions if possible. However, in our case, we have to have at least one gauche interaction. A has a methyl-methyl gauche interaction and an ethyl-methyl gauche interaction. B has a methyl-methyl gauche interaction only, and D only has an ethyl-methyl gauche interaction. We can rule out A because it has two gauche interactions compared to B and D. When comparing B and D, we want to look at the difference between a methyl-methyl gauche interaction and an ethyl-methyl gauche interaction. The gauche interactions between smaller groups is less destabilizing, so since methyl is smaller than ethyl, the methyl-methyl gauche interaction is more stable than the ethyl-methyl. Therefore, our answer is B.